Yes, this is our AI foundation is a quick and quality system. This is Q and Q system. There is no long period of learning. We never allowed. So quick and quality, efficiency of work, hard work, and we will send out the within 6 months complete the course. This is our Q and Q system of steno. Take the dictation now. Get ready. This and Q and system, AA Foundation, Mohn Steno and Typewriting Institute. I am Krishnammohan, MSc BEd, Stenography. So now at Jalal Bagh, Sangareddy. Now start the writing. Are you ready now? Write. 7 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to join to again at a conference like this after nearly 1.5 the years. Stop. At the outset, let me please on record my appreciation of the efforts put by the collectors and other in solving the problems of the people and in ensuring effective implementation of the various schemes and policies undertaken by the state government. Stop. I am glad that the district officers, head of department, and senior officers in the government have met from time to time here again to discuss the important problems facing the state and to set new goals in various activities and developmental programs. Next para. I would like to discuss all the issues and come up with solutions. I am happy and to a large extent we have succeeded in translating into action most of the decisions taken in the last conference. I thank everybody for this. Our needs are many, the aspirations of the people are large, and we have high ambitions too. Stop. I hope and trust that all of you to continue to act not merely as the eyes and ears of the government but as agents of change, a change for the betterment and welfare of people, particularly weaker sections of the society. Next para. In this connection, I need hardly remind you that the institution of the district collector has mentioned a unique character in our state. I wonder, I would engaging if I were to say that such as extraordinary combinations of functions, responsibilities, and authority cannot be found anywhere in the country, even within in our state. We all know the no functionary above or below the district collector enjoys such a pride state, including the other district officers. Stop. This is largely because of the faith of the governments have placed in the institution. However, I would like to add a word of caution to some of the collections on the need to maintain good public relations with people's representative. Next para. The collectors must realize that the non-officers have an important role to play in the parliamentary democracy. The collectors must therefore carry the non-officials along with the. This will enable the collectors to discharge their foundations in a large. It must be realized that once the non-official finds the collector respective to his suggestions, he will assist the government administration in the better implementation of the policies. Dear sir, we wish to introduce ourselves as one of the leading manufacturers of our four-wheelers. We are happy our authorized dealers in all the important cities and towns throughout the country. In this connection, we wish to bring to the notice of our customers that shortly we are introducing into the market a new car suitable for long distance travel coupled with comfort. Last paragraph. The other last paragraph. The other technical details will be published shortly in all the newspapers for public information. We are got all the clearance from the Government of India and the concerned state government. In fact, we have received aspiration letter from Government of India for introducing such a kind of cars to the public, which is the cost effective. In this connection, we wish to inform our customers that since it is product with the which is being realized on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration of the company, we want to extend credit facility yours faithfully. So 1.5 minute extra take it.